What up guys, welcome back to my channel. So apologies if it's a little bit echoey in here. I'm in my kitchen, but the reason I'm in my kitchen is because I am unboxing a TokyoTreat mystery box. Now what this is snacks, Japanese candy, snacks, treats, I don't know what in here from Tokyo. I've never been so excited to open a package. Like, this has been in my house for a week and I haven't opened it because I wanted to obviously open it on camera so you guys see exactly what's in here. You get my real review, my real thoughts, my real reaction. So I'm so gassed right now. I want to go back to Tokyo so bad. Ever since I've come back, I'm like, why am I here? Bring me back to Tokyo. So when TokyoTreat contacted me and wanted to send me a package, I was like, I would be honored. So I'm so excited to open this box because Japanese treats are so scrummy and I'm hopefully gonna have something in here that I've never had before, maybe something that I tried in Japan and absolutely loved. I'm so gassed. I even have Japanese drinks in my fridge because I love them so much. Like, I'm not joking. So this is going to be an unboxing slash review slash taste test. Basically, before we get into all that, TokyoTreat is the subscription box. So each month you pay X amount of money and then they send you this box with different treats inside. You don't know what you're going to get. So they do two different packages. So they have the classic version which starts at $22.50 a month, or the premium version which starts at $31.50 a month. And it comes with a whole lot of stuff. I'll put the information on the screen and leave the links down below. But I can't talk anymore. I need to open this right now. Oh my god, I might cry of happiness. No one's around in my house. My sister and my boyfriend are both like, I want some. Oh my god, I actually fucking bought those crisps. Oh my god. I'm so excited. So, oh my god, what do we have? Oh my god, I haven't tried any of this stuff yet. Oh my god, we got Pocky. Hell yeah, baby. Okay, so the first thing it says here is Hanami Picnic, TokyoTreat Volume 42, June 2019. Okay, so this is the June subscription box. Hey there TokyoTreat family, we've got an exciting mix of delicious snacks for you guys this month. They're perfect for a springtime Hanami picnic. They are super popular in Japan in the springtime when the cherry blossoms are blooming. Excuse me, cherry blossom phone case. Listen, I'm ready for my picnic, bitch. So pack your picnic basket and get ready for some sweet floral flavors, crispy crunchy textures, and a great selection of picnic worthy snacks. Are you all packed and ready to go on a picnic? We can't wait for you to enjoy this month's snack. Oh my god. Oh, it tells you everything. Cool beans. Okay, so it tells you everything that you get. Okay, cool. So, I actually know what everything's called now. So, the first thing I can see is this. So these they look like crisps. So it gives you like the little snack menu of everything that you have. So the premium and then the classics. I assume the premium is just the classic plus more. So the first thing I'm grabbing is this. And this right here is the Anpanman soft corn 4-pack. So they're Anpanman ring shaped corn snacks. They're veggie chip snacks, perfect for a picnic. So there's 4 packets and that's how it looks. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna cut it. I don't even have time to be on. Oh my god, they're so small and cute. Oh my god, they're so soft. Like, they're softer than any crisp I've ever tasted in my life. These are so good. Well, I mean, they're just corn flavored, but they're so soft. Oh, I can't wait to eat the rest of those. So this right here, I should actually go in order of how it's printed in here. So the first thing on this actual list. Ooh, this is huge. Oh my god, this is massive. It's a whole pack. Look at that. So these are the Furuta Sakura Mochi cookies. Mochi? cookies. These delicious pink cookies are inspired by the traditional Japanese Sakura Mochi dessert wrapped in a Sakura leaf. They are a perfect, soft, moist cookie for you to enjoy. Springtime cherry blossoms at your picnic. So this is what it looks like. Let's get into this, baby. So that's what it looks like. Not gonna lie, mine broke a little bit. I was skeptical, but that bangs. That bangs. What's next? These are shrimp chips. I'm pretty sure I've tried these. They're shrimp flavored crisps, but I think I've tried these. Well, here we go. They taste like, they look like that, but they taste exactly like, they taste like prawn crackers, basically. Those are really good. Those are really good. So next we've got, oh, okay. So we have Sakura flavored tea. I'm not gonna crack this open right now. So the next thing I have is Sumiko Garashi card and seal gum. Oh, so this is a chewing gum. So this is a chewing gum, which I'm not gonna have now because I feel like it'll be a waste. So the next one we have is nori potato sticks, which is this one right here. It's got a yummy salty seaweed flavor. Okay, definitely trying this. Oh, so it's just one big, like crisp, I guess. So it looks like that, like one big stick with a hole in the middle. Definitely is salty. Definitely tastes like seaweed. It's actually quite nice. I wasn't sure at my first bite because it's quite strong. That bangs. Oh my god, why didn't I find any of these snacks when I actually went to Japan? So not including these because I jumped in on those, but the other items, so the Sakura Mochi cookies, the Sakura shrimp chips, the Lipton Sakura tea, and the gum and the potato stick, those were part of the premium box, and then the remaining items are in the classic box. So obviously the premium box you get a bit more stuff. So jumping into the classic, so the first thing I've got are nacho cheese Pringles. They smell cheesy, I'm not gonna lie. They're quite small actually. These are really good. Cheesy, but not too cheesy. Everything that I've tried, I would definitely buy again. The next thing are these crushed strawberry pocky. And I don't know if I've tried these. My boyfriend and I tasted some different treats when we were out in Tokyo, and we filmed like a little taste test for his video, and I think we might have tried these and I didn't like it. Those are not bad, but they're not my favorite. I definitely prefer just the normal chocolate one. And then next we've got these poriki. I don't know how it's pronounced. I think it's poriki German potato sticks. So these are pretzel sticks, and they're salty. So they just look like pocky without the added stuff on it. So it looks like this. These are really nice. They taste like pretzels mixed with a breadstick, but they're really good. Banging! So the next thing are these, and these are, is it Ramoon energy drink bubble candy. I have that drink in my fridge, no lie. These candies are Ramoon, I don't know how to pronounce it, fans' dream. They have a classic energy drink flavor and they evaporate into foamy bubbles in your mouth. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, so it looks like that. That's the inside. They do taste like the drink. They're quite nice. I chewed it just to get rid of it, and it tastes nicer when you suck it. So the next thing on the list are these, which I already ate. These might be my favorite things that I've tried so far. They're really nice. So the next thing on the list is this, and it says this is a Kanako cake. Kanako, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these words. They have a chewy mochi texture, and the yummy Kanako or roasted soybean flavor is super delicious. Eat these with a cup of Sakura tea for the perfect picnic treat. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit scared of this one. Oh, it's really like, it's soft. I'm not a huge like sweet person. I prefer chocolate and biscuits. So that's what the inside looks like. It's not bad, but it's not really my thing, so I'm just gonna put that there. So the next thing is a candy apple DIY kit. Oh, so this is to make your own candy apple, which is really sweet. If you look on the back, it shows you. And I won't be doing this now, but I will definitely try that out. But it's just apple flavored chewing candy. So it's just a candy, it's not like a real apple. And then the next thing is this, because I don't know how to pronounce that. Umebo Mentecchio, okay, whatever. This is next, don't know how to pronounce it. I don't want to butcher its name. Ooh, it's red. But what is it? I don't actually know what flavor this is. That's actually quite nice. But I can't work out what flavor that is. I just have to Google it. So I'm not sure what that is, but that was quite nice. And then the final thing we've got is little candies. So the one I've got is orange flavor. So in the book, they show you different ones. So there's, it looks like they have grape, strawberry, apple, melon. Is that a lemon? Not sure. But I got the orange ones, which is good because I love orange. So let's try. Oh, it's like, it just melts straight away. That was really good. So that was everything in the box, and the box just looks like that. My favorite thing were these crisps. They're really yummy. And then I actually really liked the Pringles, I'm not gonna lie. The shrimp flavored crisps were really good. I liked these a lot. I liked these bad boys, the pretzel sticks. I like the little orange candies, which melted in my mouth. Next, I liked the German potato stick crisp, that one's really nice. and then probably the Pocky, and then the bubble candy one, and then this one, and then this one. I wasn't a huge fan of that. I don't like the texture. But that was the order of the things that I liked. The 3 things that I didn't try was the tea, the apple candy, and the chewing gum. But for the price, you definitely get a lot, and it's not like little baby packs. Look how much is in here. This is a whole flipping, a proper pack. A lot of this stuff I didn't actually try. Well, actually, I don't think I tried, apart from the Pocky, I don't remember trying any of these. The shrimp kind of tastes familiar, but these tasted nicer than the ones that I think I remember. So yeah, I'm so happy. I think it's definitely worth it. If you live obviously not in Japan and you want to try Japanese treats, or you like Japanese treats, I think this is a banging box to have. And I'll probably order a few more myself, and if I do, I will definitely be sure to film it and show you guys what I get. The theme of this box was a picnic, and it had a lot of Sakura flavored treats. So obviously each month you get a different theme, and you don't want to miss out, because next month might be something really good that you didn't try, and then you'll never know. So I'll leave the link to TokyoTreat below. Let me know if you guys order yourself a box. I'm gonna go and eat the rest of it. I haven't even had lunch. What's the time? It's 3 o'clock, and this is my lunch, but you know, no regrets. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.